A very good morning, children. Today, in this video, we'll learn how to make poster. Okay. So first of all, before we move to poster making, first of all, we'll learn what is the poster making. So basically, a poster, you can say it is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or event put in the public space for mass communication. बेसिकली जो आपका पोस्टर मेकिंग है वो एक ऐसा वे ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन है जिसका यूज़ हम जो है बड़े लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल को एक साथ कम्युनिकेट करने के किसी भी सूचना को कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए प्रयोग करते हैं. तो यू कैन से इन सिंपल वर्ड इट इज़ पोस्टर मेकिंग इज़ अ वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन यूज टू कम्युनिकेट विद अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल और टू कन्वे सम काइंड ऑफ मैसेज टू अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल. ओके. Now we'll learn what are the various important points to be kept in mind while making a poster. It should be first thing is very much important, clearly stated topic, that it should contain a clearly stated topic. Until unless the topic will not be clear, one cannot be able to know the reason why the poster has been made. Okay. Now second thing is what? Catchy slogan. Catchy slogan is very much important. Until unless there will not be a catchy slogan in it, people will not get attracted towards it. Okay. So simply catchy slogan is very much important. You need to put catchy slogans so that it can attract the visitors. Okay. And now then if a poster is based on event organized, we have to mention clearly date, time and venue on it, so that a person will able to come through the whole information. Okay. Now attractive colors, logo and different style make it more attractive. So third thing fourth thing what you need to keep in mind, you can use attractive colors, logo and different style to make it more attractive, so that people get attracted towards it. Okay. So hope you have understand. Now look at the few examples we have. Look, that is we have a poster here. Change global climate. That is what it is. It is based on what, जो आपका जो ग्लोबली जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ रहा है, इससे रिलेटेड जो है ये है. क्लियरली देखो, लुक वी हैव सिंपली यूज्ड black earth to show how the pollution is changing our earth. Okay. And now look at the second one, save tree and save earth. It is clearly the topic is clearly mentioned in it, the save tree and save earth. Then save water and say no to corruption. These are all the other things that is used to make more attractive. Now look at the few more example. We have few more example here. That respect female. It's clearly it can be clearly seen that one who made the poster wants to convey the message to respect our woman. Okay. Women's. Now look at this. Together we can save the planet. So unity was in unity we can easily save the environment, and everyone has to come up for that. Okay. No matter whether it's a kid, no matter whether it's the elder and all. Okay. Everyone has a crucial role in saving environment. It can be clearly seen from this poster. Now save water and save world. So hope with the example you have understood. Thank you.